My name is Beth Hinkson, and I am an autism consultant for COP-ESD. I've been doing this particular role for about 11 years, getting to work with the peer-to-peer groups. We take students who have autism and those that do not, and we bring them together to do some fun things, some educational things, and to help them build friendships. We give them like social opportunities. And I get to teach the kids about autism and how to be a good friend. And it's just been really neat to see how instinctively students stand up for each other and how their friendships grow. My role as an autism consultant is to educate people, both adults and students, about autism and about the strategies, the evidence-based practices that really work. Help people understand that autism truly is a spectrum. It impacts each individual differently. I get to work with teachers, parapros, other staff, as well as students, and I like that variety. I'm also involved with doing autism eligibility evaluations, so I get to be part of a team that goes in and does many, many hours of observation and then analyzes the data to see if the students that we're evaluating meet the criteria for an autism eligibility in special education. Rates of autism are really increasing. When I first got into special ed, it was like 1 in 150 students had autism, and now it's 1 in 36. I would just say familiarizing yourself with autism, and in particular, the evidence-based practices and strategies, because those aren't just good for people with autism, they are also great for all students. If there is an opportunity to be part of links, peer-to-peer, that would be an awesome start. The learning process can be so arduous for the students in special ed, and it can take them longer to grasp a concept. When that light bulb goes on and they really get something and it clicks, it is such a priceless moment, and I just really enjoyed being part of that.